Okay, so in this video we're going to have a quick look at how to style your WordPress website. Now this is pretty easy because of all the third-party input that WordPress has. So we're really going to only be looking at themes, so it should be a fairly straightforward tutorial. So once you're on your dashboard, if you look down the left-hand side, you'll see there's themes, and there's lots of different themes available to you. So some of them you get free, and some of them you will have to pay for. We're going to focus on the free ones because that's the right price. Now you can go through to add new list of what different themes and different things that you can utilize. You can look at for different features. So if you're going to be doing more of a blog, say if you were doing like a portfolio or something like that, you might want to look there. You can look for a grid layout, which we might look at. We want to add a custom background, we want to add custom colors, things like that. And you can go through and see kind of what you want. Okay, so we'll apply those 4 filters and see what we come up with. So some of them are going to be right up your street, some are not really going to be what you're looking for. But let's have a look. That one looks quite good. So if you click install, there it goes, it starts installing. What's that? That's basically installing this particular theme onto your server space. Once it's installed, you can activate it. So I can show you what our site currently looks like, which it looks like this, which is pretty disgusting. So then if we activate that, what it's going to do is it's going to replace the current theme that we have with this one that we've just downloaded. So if I refresh that, there we go, we've got a nice a nice new theme. Everything's there, it's just been moved around to sit within this new template. Now a lot of these themes, but not all of them, you can start to customize. So if I click on customize, it will load through and it will take us to a screen that the developers made that allows you to customize certain parts of this theme. You can see this has got pro features. That's for if you like the theme enough and you're doing a professional website, you might want to buy this theme. We don't. So you can change the site identity. So the tagline, we could call this our digital portfolio, which is all there. Sound, we'll publish that, gives us an idea of what it's going to look like. So that's published. We can go into the header options, the very top bar, so we can show whether we want to show the very top bar menu. We can add widgets in there, which we'll get onto in another into another tutorial. Do we want to change any of the CSS? What sort of homepage settings and stuff do we want in there? So the appearance settings, do we want to change the colors? So the background color is currently set to that. We could change it to something a bit more kind of horrific if we wanted to. Do we want a background image on there? Do we want a header background? So we can go in and see what we want. Now they're all going to be slightly different. Okay, every single theme that you download or look at will change it ever so slightly. So if we go into this one that we were using before, so we can go back into that and activate that, we can see again it's going to change what we've done, how we've done it. Okay, and it's the same thing to customize it. So we click on customize and we can go through and we can change the colors. So we've got that in that horrible green color, so let's change that to I don't know, white might stand out quite well on there. Probably not. This needs some work. We probably want to customize this image here, so we can go back and we can have a look at our menus, much like the same one. They're all going to be slightly different because they've all been made by different people, but really that's how easy it is to go in and change your theme, change your settings, and you don't really have to worry about making a mistake, because if you don't like something, you can always revert back to what you had before or try something new. So hopefully that's helped a little bit.